scolded like they were deer. The teacher just sat there listening. I can still see his chin tremble. And he didn't say anything. Anything at all. They understood what he meant anyway.
Hey, who's there? Who goes? Stay there. Who goes?
Guys! The intruder is here! We know that! The only thing left is to fight him!
The intruder is here, guys!
The intruder's over there! There he is, behind that tree, guys! Eat them!
You'll attract all the damn aqua from the swamp, and it will take weeks for us to clear them out again.
What an enormous...
Is she? Had any other variety in a long time. So no
Take
wonder.
a seat, Bratucha. Boy, this conversation is not gonna be simple, I think.
Until today, we thought that this shot of Novosibirsk was a simple error.
What's
We
up
were wrong.
with it?
The legend says irradiated zones are highlighted in shades of green, while purple highlights indicate errors. Today, though, I found some small print. The thing is, radiation levels way outside of normal operational range of the scanner are also marked as errors. Simply put, the radiation there may well be completely off the scale. We're about 500 clicks from Novosibirsk, and the radiation outside is almost as high as back in Moscow. The shots are 20 years old. The radiation can't be quite as high now, but still. Novosibirsk is most probably.
So what do we do?
Are you ready, Artyom? Follow me. Colonel, the situation here looks more complex than we thought. Still, time is short, so we're taking the direct approach. Let's refresh the plan. Yermak, we'll take the Aurora south to the Sibirskaya cargo station. I marked it. Stepan,
Krist, Sam, Idiot, and I will handle the Institute building in Akadem Gorodok. We'll pay a visit to the Railroad Museum on the way. There might be something
Alyosha.
for the Aurora there.
Stay to guard the Aurora with Tokarev.
good. Artyom and I are checking the Institute's main building. Radiation is way too high here, so we'll try to get there through the metro. Well, let's get to it. Good luck, Spartans.
Good luck.